Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivan and I'm going to be showing you how to make a mocha or a cafe mocha or mochaccino, however you want to call it. You're going to need a few things. Firstly, some good quality drinking chocolate, a coffee machine and some good beans. So let's get into it. So this is my little rocket. I'm going to be using it to make the mocha today. There's really not that much to a mocha. It's basically just a latte with chocolate in it. For my mochas, I like to use a teaspoon of chocolate followed by a double shot of espresso. Extract my espresso directly over the chocolate, and then once it's done, I give it a good whisk until it's all perfectly combined. Next up is the milk steaming. Basically, you want the same consistency as the latte. Introduce maybe 5 to 10 seconds of air before you have enough microfoam, and then just keep spinning it until it's nice and silky. Just give it a quick dash of chocolate, and then it's time for some latte art. And there we have it, Cafe Mocha. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you want to see more content from me, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. I'm trying to start this channel properly rather than super close-up videos of me doing latte art. So leave me a comment if there's something in the future you want to see. I'm thinking of maybe doing some hacks and modifications to my rocket. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a good one. Cheers. Perfect.